It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air like I don't care, baby. By the way, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room with.
Well, hello, first grade. Welcome back to Number Corner. The weekend is near. We have gotten through this whole week. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. So we're going to get started with our Number Corner right away. So let's take a look back at our other shapes that we did throughout the week. So on Wednesday, we had a square, and we decided that we can divide a square into 4 parts equally. So I decided to draw with a marker on my line of symmetries to show that we divided a square into 4 parts, which is the fraction 1/4. Here's another way we could have divided our square into fourths. Notice when I fold it, I can do it this way, or I can do it this way. By folding it, you see. And for this one, we folded it this way. There's a line of symmetry. And then we made one more. It's another line of symmetry. So 1/4. And then on Thursday, friends, our shape is a triangle. And our triangle, we said we can divide in 2 parts, which is 1/2. There are 2 parts of 1/2. So when you fold this, we folded it and we decided it was 1/2. We realized when we tried to fold it before, we tried to fold like this, and we realized it wasn't equal. The parts wasn't identical. So we realized this was the best way to fold it so the parts will be equally folded and it'll be identical. So let's look at the shape for today. Our shape of the day is a pentagon. If you said pentagon, that's right. It's a pentagon. Let's look and see why this is a pentagon. So a pentagon, it's loading. There we go. A pentagon is a 2-dimensional flat shape with 5 sides. This shape is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. Of course, you don't see this shape right here, but because of its attributes, attributes of having 5 sides, it considered and it falls under a pentagon. All right, so friends, we're going to try and fold to see. There you are. We're going to try to fold and see if we can create a line of symmetry on this here pentagon. So if we fold it this way, are the parts equal? No. What about this way? Well, that doesn't work. The parts aren't equal. Let's try. This way. No. So when we tried folding it every possible way, and we realized that every time we fold it, there's no parts that are equal. So that means this shape, this pentagon shape, this specific pentagon shape cannot be divided into equal parts. So if it can't be divided into equal parts, that means it's asymmetrical. It's asymmetrical. So let's go here to our April calendar observations. So today is April 3rd. You can write that and read that as 4/3 because April is the 4th month of the year. So 4/3. Today, our shape is a pentagon, as I told you. Pentagon, that's how you spell and write pentagon. So we realized that we cannot fold our pentagon into equal parts. So we're going to put a check mark into 0. I'm going to copy that check mark and I'm going to put it there. that you cannot fold it into equal parts. So is it a symmetrical shape? No, it is not a symmetrical shape. And I'm copying it right here so I can have the same font. The same font. Oh boy. There we go. I'm gonna put no. I'm gonna put an exclamation point to say it excitingly. No, it is not a symmetrical shape at all. So we're gonna take a sneak peek quickly of our weekend cards. Drum roll. All right, tomorrow's card is going to be, oh, I know my friends know what shape that is. A diamond, a rhombus, that's right. You said those things, so that is correct. And we're gonna go to this shape. Oh, that's a very interesting shape for Sunday. And then this shape for Monday. So at home, I want you to cut these shapes out. Again, parents, you can go to the folder and you can also go to the calendar and you will see the shapes there. You can cut these shapes out and have your child's practice making a line of symmetry for these shapes. And you can sort them, whether it's symmetrical or it's asymmetrical. You can practice with these shapes. All right, so we're gonna go and see it on our geo board. So you see here, I already made the shape of my geo board, and we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice one more time to see if it has any. If we can fold it into any equal parts. So I'm going to use. Instead of a rubber band, I'm gonna try it another way. You can also try these on the class block page. The geo board is there. So I'm gonna try it. I'm clicking my pencil, but it's not letting me. Try one more time. So parents, you can play with these and see if it works. But I'm just going to use a rubber band because the pen is not working for now. So I'm going to try a rubber band. I'm going to try my best to split it into equal parts. So if I was to split this into equal parts, I'm going to try a half. Oh boy. So if I was to take this whole side over here, I can tell because look, the line of symmetry is just a little crooked. If I was to flip this on the other side, it would not be equal. Let's see if I can fold it another way. Or if I try to fold it in half, if I try to bring this part to that part, it still will not be equal. So that justifies and also confirms that this shape is an asymmetrical shape. It cannot be divided into equal parts. All right, so friends, now we're going to go into our days in school. So we know that this whole thing right here is 100 because there are 10 tens, which makes a whole 100. So we've been in school for 100 days so far. Let's go to our next one. And we're going to count on from 100. So 100, 110, 120, 130, and today makes 131. I'm going to get my pen. It's working. And I'm going to draw my X in the box for 131. I can do my best. I'm going to erase that and do my very best to draw my line. I'm going to take the eraser back. There we go. Then I'm going to use this one. Haha, there we go. And this makes 131 days of school. Now we're going to go and practice writing that and representing that number. So I'm going to, there we are. All right. So yesterday we were in school for 130 days and today is 131. So it looks like all we have to do is change our ones place, that's right, which is the red. So we know that 10 tens make 100, so we bundle it. And if you bundle 10 tens, it makes 100. So 130 And 3 10s represents the value of 30. So 130. So we have to change our ones place. So if you said the ones place, you were correct. All right. And I'm going to make that the color red because it's in the ones place. Awesome. And now I'm going to draw my place value block that represents a 1. 131. Now I'm going to show it in another way. I'm going to show it in expanded form. Do you remember what expanded form is? If you said expanded form is when you stretch the number part and then you add the numbers together, you were correct. So yesterday we stretched out 130. Today we're going to stretch out 131. So I'm just going to erase this bubble here so I can fit my whole number. I guess I'll erase the whole thing and rewrite it over. All right, there we go. All right, and I'm going to get my nice little pen. I'm going to write my 3 over. Take it off just a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to write 131. So I'm scratch it out. 100. That's the first number I said when I started to stretch. So I'm going to write the first number I said, 100. This is how you write the number 100. 130. That's the second number I said when I was stretching the number out. And remember, when you're stretching the number out, you're adding them. So 100 plus the next number we said was 30 when we stretched it out. 30. 131. I stretched that number out. And the last number we said was 1. There you have it in expanded form, the number 131 in expanded form. All right, so now we're going to go to our popsicle sticks activity. So yesterday, friends, when we did this, when we spun the spinner yesterday, we ended up with 3 more sticks, which gave us 8. So today we're going to spin it again. I'm going to zoom in so we get closer to our spinner. I'm going to slide it down. All right. So I'm going to spin the spinner. Ready? So our spinner has 5, 3, and 4 all the way around. So yesterday we got 3, and the day before we had 5. Let's see what number we land on today. Here we go. If you thought 4, it landed on 4. So today we landed on 4 more popsicle sticks. So now we're going to come down here. I'm going to zoom out just a little and zoom in. There we go. So yesterday, friends, we spun 3 and we showed 3 popsicle sticks. So today we spun 4 popsicle sticks. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 popsicle sticks that we spun. So I'm going to add 4 more popsicle sticks. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So far we have a lot of popsicle friends. Let's count how many we have. So I know that this is 5, so I can start it and just say 5 and count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So the reason why I stopped at 10, because I can bundle this whole 10. So I can take this bundle right here because 10 popsicle sticks make a bundle. So I'm going to take 10 of these sticks and put them back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 popsicle sticks. I'm going to replace those 10 individual popsicle sticks with a whole bundle. 10 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 popsicle sticks make a whole bundle. So you can bundle them with a rubber band. There we have it. Our 10 individual popsicle sticks grouped together to make a whole bundle. So I can count this. Move it just here so you can see a little close better. So now I can count it quickly. I can go 10, 11, 12. So we're at the end of the week today, and next week we're going to count and see how many we have for this week. So 10, 11, 12. So now altogether we have 12 popsicle sticks. All right, so friends, that's the end of our number corner for today. I can't wait to see you guys next week on our new number corner. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you soon. See you later, friends. Go forth into the world.